Tired of juggling multiple communication channels and missing out on valuable customer interactions? Let's dive into setting up Aisensy for WhatsApp to automate your communication and boost customer engagement in just a few simple steps. First, head over to the Aisensy website and create your account. Click on the Sign Up button and fill in the necessary details like your name, email address, and company information. Choose a strong password to secure your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the WhatsApp integration section. On your dashboard, this is where you'll connect your WhatsApp number to Aisensy. Click on the Connect WhatsApp button to begin the process. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to link your WhatsApp number. This usually involves scanning a QR code displayed on your Aisensy dashboard using your WhatsApp mobile app. Open WhatsApp on your phone, go to Link Devices, and select Link a Device. After successful integration, explore the powerful features of Aisensy. You can configure automated welcome messages, set up quick replies for frequently asked questions, and even design sophisticated chatbot flows to handle customer inquiries. Finally, take advantage of Aisensy's analytics to track your communication performance and identify areas for improvement. Monitor key metrics like message delivery rates, response times, and customer satisfaction to fine-tune your strategy. That's it. You're all set. Happy automating.